borrowing money.
Hey, can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure, what's wrong?
I'm a bit worried about money this week.
What happened?
My car broke down and I had to pay for repairs.
That's really unlucky.
Yeah, it cost more than I expected. So, what do you need?
Can I borrow 50 pounds until next week? Of course, no problem.
Really? Thank you so much.
Don't worry about it.
I feel a bit bad asking.
You shouldn't. We're friends.
I'll pay you back as soon as I get paid.
Take your time.
I'll also be more careful with money next month.
That's a good idea.
Thanks for helping me out.
Anytime.
I really appreciate it.
Just help me when I need it someday.
Splitting a bill.
The bill is 60 pounds. How should we split it?
There are 3 of us, so 20 pounds each?
That seems fair. Wait, I only had a drink.
Oh, right, that's true. Your drink was 5 pounds, I think?
Yes, just 5 pounds.
Then you only pay 5 pounds.
Thanks, I appreciate that.
We'll split the rest.
That's 27 pounds 50 each.
Sounds good.
Should we leave a tip?
Yes, the service was good.
Maybe 5 pounds total?
That works.
I'll pay by card.
I'll transfer my part.
Same here. Next time we should cook at home.
Definitely cheaper.
And probably healthier too.
Saving money.
I've been trying to save money lately.
Really? How's it going?
It's not easy, to be honest.
Yeah, everything is expensive now.
I noticed I spend too much on small things.
Like what?
Coffee, snacks, and online shopping.
That adds up quickly.
Exactly. I didn't realize it before.
So what are you doing now?
I started cooking more at home.
That's a good idea.
I also stopped buying things I don't need.
That must help a lot.
Yes, I already saved some money.
Do you have a goal?
I want to save 200 pounds this month.
That's a great target.
I feel more in control now.
That's the best part.
Yeah, I'm proud of myself.
You should be.
Negotiating a price.
Hi, I like this chair, but it's a bit expensive.
It's made from high-quality wood.
I understand, but my budget is limited.
How much were you thinking?
Could you do 80 pounds instead of 100?
That's quite low.
I really like it, but I can't go higher.
I could lower it to 90 pounds.
Does that include delivery?
No, delivery's extra.
If you include delivery, I'll agree to 90 pounds.
All right, that's a fair deal.
Great, thank you.
When would you like it delivered?
As soon as possible.
I can arrange it for tomorrow.
That works for me.
Do you need help assembling it?
No, I think I can manage.
All right, everything is set then.
Thanks for being flexible.
Thank you for your purchase.
Returning a faulty product.
Hi, I bought this jacket yesterday, but the zipper is broken.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is. I only wore it once.
I see the problem. That shouldn't happen.
I was really disappointed when I noticed it.
I understand. Would you like a refund or a replacement?
I'd prefer a replacement if possible.
Let me check if we have your size.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, we do have another one.
Great. Could you check the zipper first?
Of course, I'll make sure it works properly.
I appreciate that.
Everything looks fine with this one.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, just to be sure.
The fitting room is over there.
It fits well and the zipper works.
That's good to hear.
Thanks for helping me quickly.
No problem. Sorry again for the issue.
Paying rent.
Hi, can I talk to you about the rent?
Yes, of course. What's the matter?
I might be a little late this month.
Oh, why's that?
I had some unexpected bills to pay.
I see. When can you pay it?
Maybe in 5 days.
That should be okay this time.
Thank you for understanding.
Just let me know earlier next time.
Yes, I will. I'm really sorry.
It's all right. These things happen.
I was worried you'd be upset.
I appreciate your honesty.
I'll make sure this doesn't happen again.
That's good to hear.
I'll set a reminder on my phone.
That's a smart idea.
I really like living here.
And you've been a good tenant.
Thanks again for being patient.
No problem. Just keep me informed.
Phone battery problem.
I don't know which phone to buy. What's the difference between them?
This one is cheaper, but the other one is faster.
How much cheaper?
About 100 pounds less.
That's quite a difference.
Yeah, but I want something that lasts longer.
Then maybe the expensive one is better.
That's what I'm thinking.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Every day for work and everything.
Then it's worth spending more.
You're right. I'll go with the better one.
Good choice.
I just don't want to regret it later.
You probably won't. The cheaper one might slow down quickly.
Exactly. Think about the future.
I also like the camera on this one.
That's another good reason.
All right, decision made.
Nice. Let me know how it is.
I will. Thanks for helping me decide.
Anytime.
Buying secondhand.
Hi, is this bike still for sale?
Yes, it is.
How old is it?
About 2 years old.
It looks in good condition.
I took good care of it.
Has anything been repaired?
Just small things, nothing serious.
Can I try it?
Sure, go ahead.
It feels great.
Glad you like it.
I think I'll take it.
Perfect.
Why are you selling it?
I bought a new one recently.
That makes sense. This one still works perfectly.
It's a good deal for the price. I tried to keep the price fair.
Do you ride often?
Yes, almost every day.
Then this will be perfect for you.
Great, I'm happy with it.
Expensive versus cheap.
Why did you buy such an expensive bag?
I wanted something that lasts longer.
But you could get a cheaper one.
Yes, but cheap ones break quickly.
That's true. I don't want to buy a new one every year.
That makes sense.
Sometimes expensive is better in the long run.
I never thought about it that way.
It depends on what you need.
Yeah, I usually just look at the price.
Quality is important too.
I'll remember that next time.
Good idea. Do you always buy expensive things?
Not always, only when it really matters.
That's smart. I try to balance price and quality.
I should start doing that too.
It helps you save money later.
I think I understand now.
Good. It's all about value.
Thanks for the advice.
No problem.
Using a coupon.
Hi, can I use this coupon here?
Let me see. Yes, you can.
Great. Does it work on all items?
Not on sale items, only regular ones.
That's fine. I'll use it on these.
Okay, let me scan them.
I love getting discounts.
Everyone does.
How much is it now?
It was 40 pounds, now it's 32 pounds.
Nice. That's a good saving.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Do you have any more offers today?
Yes, we have a buy one, get one free deal.
That sounds interesting.
Would you like to add anything?
Maybe next time.
All right,
I'll come back again soon.
we'll be happy to see you again.
Thanks for your help today.
You're welcome. Have a great day.